season.
For a couple of seasons, he was the most devastating winger people had seen, and then he went to France and obscurity.
Well, for us anyway.
But he's back, and we tried to track him down.
Tried.
As an avid Blues fan, I'm excited about the talk of Benji Marshall coming. But there's another ex-Blues player who's making a comeback. And he's kind of been flying under the radar until I've come and tracked him down here, playing for Northland, the mighty Taniwha. Is it pretty exciting being back in New Zealand playing rugby?
Yes, I'm exciting, and it's good for me because I've been staying in Fiji for like a few months because I have an operation on my knee. So looking forward to come back. You know, you can't walk backwards, you have to walk in front, not backwards. But I forget everything done in the past. But now I'm looking forward to do what is going to do good to me and my family and friends.
When you were an explosive player, you were awesome and one of the best. Do you still have that turbo power?
I think so. I think I can't tell you right now, but you have to wait and watch on the TV when the game starts.
Do you reckon it's going to be quite a show?
Yeah, back to show.
Are your goals Super Rugby?
My aim now is to play a good game for the Rainfall Seal, and then for the ITM Cup. But the Super 15 is the next one. But this is my first step, the ITM Cup.
I only say this because when I shook your hand before, you've got the softest hands.
Gibson, Spencer, Rupeni Caucaunibuca.
I mean, seriously, for a rugby player, you must use a lot of cream.
Yes, I usually do the lotion before I come because I know I'm going to be in the TV, so.
Spencer running across field now, pops it into a hole for Rupeni Caucaunibuca. Oh, he's away.
He rivaled Christian Cullen when